This is Vibhusha. Today we're going to do an volcano experiment. Before that, let's check out about volcanoes. So, first I'm going to show you my volcano picture. I drew a volcano. So this is how it looks like. This is the volcano. The orange thing is the lava, and this is the gas. These are the clouds, and the black thing is the ground. Now, let's check out some facts about volcanoes. One fact about volcanoes is volcanoes can burn anything. A second fact is that volcanoes have lava and magma. Lava and magma are the same, but where they are is not the same. Lava lives up the volcano, and magma lives beneath the volcano. A third fact is that dinosaurs were extinct by volcanoes. Let's unpack the box. So let's check out what's inside of our box. So this is the pink palette, and this purple thing is the rest. This popsicle stick is the stirring tool. This is the thing that we pour the baking soda and the activator in, and we put this thing in the middle of the volcano. And these are the plasters. These are the powder. This is the instruction manual. These are rubber bands to hold them in place. These are the molds. We are going to have the 4 molds, and we need glasses, and then we're going to pour these things. And of course, last thing, we are having this. It's just for fun, So let's assemble the parts, okay? So I set up the mold and I put the rubber bands. So let's put this aside. And here you go. So let's dump out all of the powder. One. And now the second one. Okay, so now we put that. This is 280 ml of water, so we can pour it all there. Now I'm going to mix it up good. It might be good at first. Okay, so I mixed up the plaster. Now let's put the plaster in the mold, but before you put it, first have a plate and then put the mold. Now let's pour in the plaster. Okay, so now I poured in the plaster. Let's wait for 24 hours. Okay guys, so it is the next day. After 24 hours, let's check out the mold. So this is the mold. It's clearly good hardened. But before we open it up, I'm going to tell you how this became solid hard. Let's get started. When water and plaster powder mixes up, that generates heat. And that's how this got solid hard. Okay, so now let's read it. But let's take off the mold first. Might take a little while.